Hi, hello and welcome. This is your favorite chef Shri Bala. I hope you would love my recipes. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to turn the notifications on. Enjoy and happy cooking.
The festival of lights and prosperity is around the corner, Deepawali. So we'll have to celebrate it with awesomeness. So first recipe for Deepawali season is Beetroot Gulab Jamun. Come, let's see it.
Kindly make a note of the ingredients needed for making Beetroot Gulab Jamun. In a pan, I am adding 1 teaspoon of ghee and I've got 1 cup of grated beetroot. So the cup measurement, as I've told you in previous recipes also, whichever cup you're taking, the same cup should be maintained throughout the recipe so that your ingredients weighment is right. So 1 cup of grated beetroot in 1 teaspoon of ghee, a pinch of salt. I'm going to reduce the moisture in the beetroot, so I am tossing it nicely and I'll show you how the moisture gets absorbed. There is some more moisture here, so I need to toss it for some more time. Little more. Done. I'm going to add it in a bowl and cool it. Then I'm taking the same cup, adding first cup of the milk powder. You can take any milk powder. Again in the same cup, quarter cup of condensed milk. Mix them all together. We are going to add the next cup of milk powder in stages and the maida, that is the all-purpose flour, also in stages. I'll show you how loose it becomes now. This won't be fit enough to knead it into a ball. It will start leaving its own water. That's why we are removing the moisture from the beetroot beforehand. How loose it has become, you can see here. It's impossible to roll them into balls. So I'm going to add the other cup of milk powder in stages. So first cup we are adding, the second cup in stages. Still it is loose. I'm going to add some more and then 3 teaspoons of maida for binding. Once it is done, you can have water in a bowl. Just wipe your palm with that so that it is less sticky. You can also apply ghee if you want. Don't apply pressure while rolling. That's very, very important. It should be totally aerated. Otherwise, the gulab jamun will become very, very dense. We don't want a dense gulab jamun. So, don't apply pressure while rolling. It's very, very important in gulab jamun. Gently roll it. Don't press it. Like that, you can roll all the pieces and keep it aside. Now, the same cup, we are taking sugar with the same cup water. We don't need any consistency sugar syrup, we just need a sugar syrup, that's it. Now I'm checking the heat. You can start frying them. The heat should be medium, not too high. What will happen is the outer coating will discolor and the inner will become very, very raw. So in a low flame. That's again very, very important for gulab jamun. I'll show you the heat also. Don't increase the heat beyond this. So it's a slow process. The sugar syrup is also getting ready here. I'm adding a pinch of saffron and cardamom powder. See the color here? It's fit enough. I'm going to take it. Again, I'm telling you, low flame is the key. Strain it, and while it is hot, immediately add it to the sugar syrup. I've added a pinch of cardamom here. I'm going to do the next batch. Similar fashion, slow heat, and slowly you need to twist and turn to get a golden brown. You need to pour the syrup on the top also, the way I am showing you, so that it absorbs nicely. After 1 hour if you eat, it will be perfectly sunk in sugar syrup. Don't forget to add the sugar syrup on top, and you can gently toss it. An awesome beetroot gulab jamun is ready to be served. Happy Deepawali everyone!